In the previous video, we created the examples for the extension block, but in this video, I will introduce another feature in extension blocks that is called the extension operator. So, for example, if you would like to join two different arrays, or if you are using event streaming system, and if you would like to join two different events together, then with the help of this extension operator, you can do it easily. So the syntax of the extension operator is super easy. So as I told you earlier, that you need to write the syntax like extension again, and then just type the T, and then I enumerable, right, and then type the T, right. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the public static I enumerable, and then the operator. I will say operator, right, plus I enumerable T, right, and then I will say A, and then I will have another list called I enumerable called B, and I'm not specifying any data types here. I'm just making it generic, so you can get anything here, right? And then I will say all right, so B, and then let's write the operator A concat B. So this is a very simple syntax which we definitely usually use in order to concat the different objects, but over here I have written this in a different way. So now let's utilize and see that how it looks like. So for example, I have this array, and I have another array called 2, and here I'm going to write 4, 5, 6, 7, right, and here I'm going to join these two different arrays. So var result is equal to numbers plus, you can see it is making our code more simpler and more readable. So we have more control on code with the help of this extension block feature. So now I will write before just write in shape of string. So string dot join, and then I have this, right, and let's make it comma separated, in fact, right, and then write the result, res. All right, so now let's run this and see that what the result we are getting. So you can see here that I'm getting this result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have joined these two arrays here. So let's check this method with other data types. So you can see here I have string, and let me declare another object. So let me say str1, and then str2, and abc, and then let me say abc xyz, right, and here var str join, and I'm going to say str1 plus str2, because this join operator is basically designed for all the data types because of the template T which I have defined here. So as I told you earlier, that is not specified with any data type. So now you can have different event streamings here as well. So now let's see that how this string looks like. So let me replace this with the string. I'm sorry, it is str join, right, and let's see that how it looks like. So yeah, now let's run the code and see that what the result we are getting. So you can see here abc and xyz. So I have joined these two arrays with the help of uh, this uh, this operator in extension block.